Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to day 53 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving into the world of recurrent neural networks, or RNNs. These powerful networks are specifically designed to handle sequential data like time series, text, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build an RNN, understand its architecture, and apply it to exciting tasks like text generation and sequence prediction. Let's jump right in. So, what makes RNN special? Unlike traditional neural networks, RNNs are designed to work with sequential data that has a temporal or ordered structure. This could be anything from sentences in a text to stock prices over time, or even musical notes in a melody. RNNs are unique because they have loops in their architecture, allowing them to retain information from previous steps, which is crucial for understanding the context in sequences. Now that we understand the basics, let's build a simple RNN to handle sequential data. We'll use TensorFlow and Keras to build an RNN that can predict the next value in a sequence. Let's start by installing the necessary libraries and importing them into our project. In just a few lines of code, we've built and trained a simple RNN to predict the next value in a sine wave sequence. This model uses a simple RNN layer followed by a dense layer to output the prediction. Now, let's take a look at some real-world applications of RNNs, like text generation and sequence prediction. For text generation, we can train an RNN on a dataset of text and have it generate new sentences that mimic the style of the original text. After training, we can use the model to generate new text based on the input sequence. It's fascinating how RNNs can capture the style and structure of the input data. That's it for day 53 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored recurrent neural networks, built a simple RNN for sequence prediction, and even touched on text generation with LSTMs. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep coding and see you tomorrow for more Python magic.